Well, hello, friends, and welcome back to my channel. This is Cecily Simmons with Keller Williams Realty, and today I'm in Marietta, Georgia. Come with me as we tour the beautifully renovated total package that is 3041 Riverbrooke Court. This gorgeous home is 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. 3 of those bedrooms and 3 bathrooms are on the upper level, 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom are on the main level, and there's 1 bedroom and 1 bath on the lower level. Yes, you heard that right. This beautiful home features a fully finished basement. Now, before we go inside, let me go ahead and tell you, if you or someone you know is looking to buy a home, or if you're looking to sell a property in the metro Atlanta area, give me a call and let's set up a strategy session so I can show you how I can help you achieve your biggest real estate dreams. That's right. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest, I'm your realtor. Let's go inside. This gorgeous executive home is located in an Ashton Woods gated community, very close to Highways 285, Highway 75, and Truist Park, where the Braves play. About a 10-minute drive will get you to downtown Atlanta from this property. Now, as I mentioned, this home has over $200,000 in fabulous renovations and is the total package with features such as a new roof, chef's kitchen, hardwood floors, master bathroom, luxury carpet, designer lighting, and interior and exterior paint. This home also boasts an oversized master bedroom and double vanities in the master bathroom with a separate tub and shower. This home also features an eat-in chef's kitchen, walk-in pantry, stone countertops, as well as a butler's pantry and separate dining room. Total square footage for this home is 5,583 square feet. This home sits on a 0.180 acre lot and has a list price of $924,000. Cost per square foot for this home is $165.50. Local area schools for this property are Brumby Elementary, East Cobb Middle School, and Wheeler High School. To request a private viewing of this property or any property in Atlanta and the surrounding areas, you can reach out to me directly by locating my information in the description box below this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment, as it does help to grow this channel. Well, without further ado, enjoy your tour. Well, I hope you enjoyed your tour today. To arrange for a private viewing of this property or any other property in Metro Atlanta and the surrounding areas, reach out to me. My information is located in the description box below. As always, please subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video to help me grow. Thanks again so much for watching, and until next time, have a beautiful day.